And they called it puppy love.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm exhausted, so if I seem tired, it's because I am. I wanted to show everybody the room. It's kind of messy, but like, I guess like an overview. We're not going to go like too much into detail. It's just so cute. And there's like hidden characters in the walls and stuff. It's adorable. So hold on. Here's the door. There's closets. There's the inside of the closet. Super cute. Nice. Storage. Here is a mirror. Here is the bathroom. There's the toilet in there, in the shower. Cute little vanity. Devin. Bed. Here's the second bed. TV. Dressers. 2 chairs. It's so messy in here. We just like got here last night. Here is the windows to the outside. And here is our view of the Wilderness. Oh yeah, we're at the Wilderness Lodge. I don't know if I said that already. I don't think I said that. Yeah, we're at the Wilderness Lodge. So nice here. It's amazing. And then I was like looking around and like it's like we're in the forest, like these like tree looking things. And then there's Chip and Dale. So cute. And then I was looking over here. There's Bambi, and then there's Owl. So cute. So now I'm going to get ready for the day. It's supposed to be a rainy day and a cold day, so I don't know what's going to happen. I hope it doesn't rain too bad. It does look like it's raining though. But it's supposed to rain for the rest of the week, so I hope that some days it says it is and then it won't. I don't know. But it's okay because we're still in Disney and we're still gonna have a good time. So it doesn't matter if it rains or any weather. Like, it won't matter because we're in the happy place on earth, the happiest place on earth. So now I'm going to get ready. Before we leave the room, I want to do an outfit of the day because I didn't do one yesterday. So I'm wearing a shirt that says Hollywood Tower Hotel. I got it from a flea market. I'm wearing a cardigan, don't know where I got it. I'm wearing my ears from Disney. I'm wearing skinny jeans from Forever 21 and my Air Forces. What are you wearing?
Express jeans, Air Forces, Calvin Klein t-shirt, and...
Is it Calvin Klein? Oh. Isn't that Tommy Hilfiger?
Tommy Hilfiger, what am I talking about?
Yeah. I'm like, what?
I'm like, yeah, Calvin Klein would say it.
And then his like
got this
cowhide,
sweater from Shein.
not cowhide, cow print sweater from Shein. Very cozy since we're in the Antarctica.
That's what they call it.
Okay, so we are heading off to breakfast and then we're gonna go to Hollywood Studios. Yay!
Needs to be listening up.
Yes. Thank you. We're here!
Make it magic.
Yay!
Fogging up.
Yeah, I can't see anything. We are on Star Tours. Can't wait. I can't see a thing.
Excuse me, Captain.
Who are you?
C-3PO, Systems Analyst.
It's about time. The binary motivator's acting up.
Well, binary is like a second language to me, but I can't fix the motivator from here.
Just make it quick. We're scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Then there's no time to lose. Off with you. Go on, shoot, shoot. Tour droids. Really? What? Oh, now this is malfunctioning too. This could take longer than I thought.
Ooh, right in the front. I've never been in the front. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we are at Port Orleans French Quarter and we're about to have beignets. I haven't had mine in like, what, 2 years? I think we got 6. 6 looks so good. I'm so excited. Okay, so I want to vlog Devin's first reaction because he's never had one before, but I also want to vlog our. Relax.
South Pole Wall. Oh, I see what you mean, like that. And
Oh my God.
everything behind that, it's a mystery.
And we have a caramel dipping sauce.
You can.
I don't know about that.
Drop it.
Don't spill it
I
on.
almost did.
Ready?
You think there's like something behind there that we're not allowed to see? They don't let you go up there.
Alex, did you ever have the dipping sauce?
Yes.
Tower,
Is it good?
Tower Hotel, Lounge by Ears.
Yeah,
I bought
it's just
that.
like,
It's not like it's a mountain where it's like, you know, hillish. Like it's like the lily got cut off.
yeah, just cut off and flat. Like it looks sheared too.
My eye.
It's
Oh
good.
And it's
my
called
God.
The Guardian.
It's good with the dipping sauce,
And what
Tom.
is it? What is it, Guardian?
Cosmic structure. Oh, no, that's a.
So good. Okay.
This is chocolate, but keep in mind this is like a sour chocolate. You have to have the sugar of the beignet.
Tastes like a Zipoli. Wait, isn't it good? It's Mickey shaped.
I took his ears off.
Yeah, but
They're good. 10 out of 10.
What they call beignet.
What bonito?
Where are we?
The Runaway Railroad.
Runaway Railroad.
It is time.
It was 10 minutes shorter than it was set on when we first walked in. It was supposed to be 50 minutes, it was actually 40.
That's a good thing.
Testing. Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard. All around the port. Hiya, folks. Hello there. Hiya, girls. Hey, Miss and Liam. You're going to take good care of our thing. Gosh, better with me. What could possibly go wrong?
My favorite part.
That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh, let's
Bienvenidos de vuelta. Para su seguridad, bajo por permanecer sentados con las manos separadas, los pies y piernas, dentro del baño y supervisen a sus niños. Gracias.
And they called it puppy love.